So we will be talking about the difference between a therapeutic window and therapeutic index. So therapeutic index is a ratio between, think of it as a number that the greater the therapeutic index is, the safer your drug is. So it's a ratio between the concentration of drug that's going to cause a very toxic effect divided by the concentration of drug that you need for the drug to be actually effective. Think of it this way. Your drug, even if you give somebody a little bit of drug, it's not going to make a difference. The concentration has to be enough in order for it to do its job, right? It's kind of like when you're hungry and you want to eat something. Eating a little bit is not going to fix your hunger. You need to eat a lot. You need to eat a big plate. So it's the same thing that with the drug. You need to have a minimum effective dose, and that over the minimum toxic dose divided by the minimum effective dose. So think of it like this. It's the how much food are you going to eat for it to cause you problems in your stomach divided by how much food you need actually to satisfy your hunger. And that is again, TI, therapeutic index, is a safety, it's a measure of drug safety. Now let's look at therapeutic window. So therapeutic window, before we go there, let's kind of go over what's happening in this graph. So this is a graph of time over concentration. And this graph, as you can see, has a peak. This peak is Cmax. Cmax refers to concentration max, and Tmax is the time where you get the maximum concentration of the drug. Now, you see this blue line. This is the minimum effective concentration. Remember what we said. If you're hungry and you eat a little bit of food, that's not going to fix your hunger. You need to eat at least a minimum amount of food for you to feel like you have satisfied your hunger. So the same thing here. Your body needs a minimum concentration of drug in order to fix the problem, in order to do its job. So T onset is when you finally, after injecting the drug or taking it through other methods, that's the time when you finally get the drug to the concentration in the body where it can start doing its job. T termination is the time after which the concentration of the drug is below the effective concentration. So after T termination, the drug is not going to be useful. MTC is the minimum toxic concentration. So this is denoted by the red line, and your therapeutic window is the dose. It's the dose between the minimum toxic concentration and the minimum effective concentration. So this is your therapeutic window. Okay, and this explains the two concepts. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. Thank you.